All right, Kyle. So I got the bag out. You can see where it tore. It's definitely from hitting back in here. I'm betting you the banjo bolt for the brake line nicked and rubbed on the bag during left-hand turns. But there it is. And this whole setup is made by Air Ride Technologies, as the bracket says. So, got that figured out. I'm going to figure out which bag we need. This is a Firestone Ride Right bag. So, I am going to take this with me so I can go look it up and find what we need. And then I'll send over a little something for ordering it and all that. And you'll have it in your text here in a little while later today. But got it out. 4 bolts on the mounting plate, 2 nuts on top, and then the bottom just sits in the spring bucket. Easy peasy. Had to undo the fitting too. Nothing major, but it's out. Scotty, what are you doing? Are you playing with Kyle's gash?
Mm-hmm. And I'm opening it up.
Nasty. Anyway,
and if you can look, it opened here,
and it's rubbing up here as well.
And
that's about to split.
Yep.
So you can see where it's been rubbing, and it makes contact, and the suspension travels while it's turned, and it acts like a saw. So I'm concerned the other side's going to do the same damn thing.
Yep.
Which we're going to have to make a shield for. But let's get
it drivable first.
And get it over here, and we can take care of it.
Even before that, we're going to have to put something
on there, yeah, so we don't puncture a brand new one. Yeah. We just need to do a makeshift thing to get it here, and then go from there.
Yep, because I'm thinking that this is happening.
It's happening under compression in the corner.
Yep.
Because there's no stops. The control arms, the stops for the steering arm on the spindle are cut off the control arms because it would affect the ride height. So you're hitting the stops in the steering box, which
but would it?
Is no bueno. Would it what?
Would it really affect the ride?
Yes, because of where they are. It's a tab, and it would hit the frame. Like when you park it and you let the bags down, you know, to lay frame.
Right.
It would bind it up. It would hold it up. It would hold the car up.
So they didn't think in advance.
No, we have to engineer.
Either notch the frame and weld it together so that you'd have a.
No, we have to do bump stops. We have to do bump stops too. Proper box. What do you know about a proper box?
I know a lot about a proper box. Trust me. But
yeah, you got like 47 kids and 89 grandchildren.
Well, not quite that high, but give me time.
Oh my God. Anyway.
Yeah.
So we're on that. We found them. I'm gonna get you a little number together on getting 2 of these here, and for the time I had in pulling it today, get that over to you, and we'll go from there.